SciencePoint.com.
Hi, welcome. I am Anil Kumar from Victor. I received my master's degree in mathematics from Kerala University in 1986. I have been in this teaching field for more than 32 years. That means I have a thorough experience in teaching for more than 32 years. We have 15 chapters in our syllabus. The first chapter is real numbers, second one is polynomials, third pair of linear equations in two variables. The fourth chapter is quadratic equations, which is an important chapter. Similarly important is fifth chapter, arithmetic progression. Then the continuation of triangles. We are studying about triangles from the 7th standard itself. So the continuation of triangles is the 6th chapter, triangles. Then 7th chapter, coordinate geometry. That is also a continuation of geometry from the previous classes. 7th chapter is coordinate geometry. Then the new chapter, we are introducing a new chapter, trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry is the 8th chapter and the continuation of trigonometry. That means applications. Some applications of trigonometry is the 9th chapter. Then the 10th chapter is circles. You are familiar with the circles from the small classes, from the 5th class itself. So it is very easy for you to study circles. The 10th chapter is circles. Then 11th is constructions. In this chapter, you are studying to construct similar triangles and the construction of tangents. Then 12th chapter, areas related to circles. That means areas related to circles. We are studying circles in the 10th chapter and we are studying more about circles. That means areas related to circles, 12th chapter. Then 13th, surface areas and volumes. We are having a detailed study of surface area and volume of different shapes in this chapter, surface areas and volumes. Then 14th chapter is statistics. There are three important main parts in statistics. That means arithmetic mean, median and then mode. These are the three important facts in statistics. Then the 15th chapter is probability. Chance. Probability means chance. There is a small portion of probability to study for you, probability. These are the 15 chapters you have to study. Then chapter wise marking. For number system there will be 6 marks, questions for 6 marks. Then from algebra it is 20 marks. From algebra there is 20 marks. Then coordinate geometry 6 marks. Geometry, that means including construction, there is 15 marks. From trigonometry, means trigonometry and application. From both these chapters, there are questions for 12 marks. Then mensuration, there is questions for 10 marks. Then statistics and probability. From both the chapters, you are getting questions for 11 marks. And the entire total is 80 marks. For the first chapter, real numbers, we are giving you 21 videos for a time duration of 3 hours and 13 minutes. From this chapter, you have to study, you have to give more importance to some proofs. That means prove that root 2 is irrational, etc. The proofs are clearly given in the videos. You may concentrate the proofs and you have to study that things very well. For the first chapter, there are 21 videos and give more importance to proofs. Then, second chapter, polynomial. There are 23 videos in this chapter, polynomials, for a time of 3 hours, 19 minutes. Here also, you have to give more importance for division algorithm of polynomials. Division algorithm of polynomials. Then the relation between the coefficients and zeros. The relation between the zeros and the coefficients. And then factorization and giving values. That are the important things. You have to give concentration on these things, polynomials. Then for the third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables, we are giving you 20 videos for a duration of 2 hours 23 minutes. There are so many important facts in this chapter. You have to concentrate solving the three different methods of solving, and it is very important that the problem based on solving the problems based on speed and time. That means you have to make concentration on solving using three methods. That means elimination method, then substitution method, then cross multiplication method. Give more importance for this, and then conversion. That's also very important. All these questions are clearly explained in these videos. Then the fourth one is an important chapter, quadratic equation. Study the formulas thoroughly. First of all, you have to study the formulas thoroughly. That means quadratic formula, formula for finding the discriminant, etc. We are giving 36 videos for this chapter. We are giving 36 videos for a duration of 4 hours 23 minutes. Here also 3 different methods for solving a quadratic equation. Factorization method, completing the square method, and then quadratic formula. Give more importance to this. Then chapter 5, fifth chapter is arithmetic progression, AP. There are so many formulas in this chapter. Here also you will be familiar with the formulas. You have to study thoroughly the formulas. We are giving 58 videos in this chapter for a time duration of 6 hours 30 minutes. That means a lot of problems. For the 6th chapter, triangles, we are providing you 76 videos for a duration of 11 hours 28 minutes. That is around about 11 and a half hours. That means so many problems, so many theorems and their proofs and their converse, etc. All the things are explained in these 76 videos. You have to concentrate theorems and their converse and their application, problems on theorems and their applications. You have to study these things. That means the theorems, proof of theorems, and the proof of converse and the problems based on these theorems and converse. You have to give concentration, more concentration on these things, and that will be very useful for your annual exam. We are providing you 76 videos for 11 and a half hours, 11 hours 28 minutes. Okay. Then 7th chapter, coordinate geometry. We are giving you 38 videos for a duration of 4 hours 54 minutes. That means round about 5 hours. Coordinate geometry. In this, study the formulas very well. Distance formula for finding the midpoint, distance between the origin and any other point xy. Then section formula. All these formulas are very important, and study the formulas very well and give importance to problems used on these formulas. That is very important. I had already explained most of the problems in these videos. Study this very well. Okay. Now 8th chapter, a new section. We are introducing you a new section, trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry. If you want to study trigonometry very well, you must be familiar with the base of trigonometry. In the first video, I had given a very well explanation of the base of trigonometry. If you are thorough with the base, then it is very easy for you in the continuation of study of trigonometry. Then you have to study some values, some identities, some formulas, then proofs. These are the main points on trigonometry. You have to by heart the values of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, then 60 degree and 90 degree. These values will not be given in the question. Then you have to study all these values, then the formulas. Then you have to study the application of formulas also, problems based on application. These are the main points on trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry. There are 45 videos in introduction to trigonometry and for a duration of 5 hours. I had already explained all the problems on trigonometry in these 45 videos. Concentrated study. Then next is the continuation of trigonometry, 9th chapter, that means application of trigonometry. In this chapter, we are giving the main problem, important problems based on finding the heights and distance through 20 videos. 20 videos, a duration of 2 hours 43 minutes. All the main problems are worked out in these 20 videos. That is the application of trigonometry. Next is chapter 10, circles. You are familiar with the circles and you are studying from the very small classes itself about circles. But here we have a detailed study of circles. How to construction, how to construct the tangents, etc. are in these chapters. We are giving important problems, theorems and their proofs through 18 videos. We are providing through 18 videos. Time duration is 2 hours 50 minutes. All the main problems and proofs are explained very well in these videos. Next is chapter 11, constructions. There are two main constructions. The main constructions in this chapter are construction of similar triangles and the construction of tangents from an external point to a circle. These are the main constructions, and we are giving you 10 videos for a duration of 1 hour 24 minutes. Through 10 videos, we are giving all the most important constructions. Then study these constructions very well. Next is chapter 12, areas related to circles. There are so many problems in the textbook itself. So, I had already solved all the problems through 35 videos. We are providing all the problems through 35 videos for a duration of 4 hours 45 minutes. Areas related to circles, and so many problems are included in the textbook itself, and so benefit is there will be no outside questions. Questions are most probably from the textbook itself for this chapter. So study all these problems very well, which I had explained in this 35 videos. Next is chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. This is also an important chapter, surface areas and volumes. There are so many problems which are very important. I am giving the most easier solution through 45 videos and a duration of 6 hours 51 minutes. Through 45 videos for a duration of 6 hours 51 minutes. All the important problems are solved in these videos. Study this very well. And conversion, give more importance and give more concentration to conversion and combination, etc. Then the 14th chapter, statistics. There are 3 main parts, that is finding the measures of central tendency. That means arithmetic mean, mode and median. Study the formulas very well. There are 3 methods for the arithmetic mean itself. Study all the 3 formulas and give importance to these 3 methods of finding arithmetic mean. That means solving the arithmetic mean through 3 methods using 3 different formulas. Then there are only 1 formula for mode and only 1 formula for median. Study all these formulas and work out the problems which I had explained in the 20 videos. I am giving 20 videos for statistics through 3 hours 43 minutes. Then the last one, 15th chapter, is probability. Probability means chance. There are the important sections in this chapter are problems based on playing cards. Different types of problems they may ask from this playing cards, probability. And the next one is throwing dice, and same importance is given for throwing coins. So problems on throwing coins, throwing dice and playing cards. These are the important factors you must concentrate. Problems on these 3 will be asked most probably from probability. We are giving 19 videos for probability for a duration of 2 hours 4 minutes. So all the important questions or most probably asking questions are included in these videos. That means totally there are 500 videos, including the introduction. There are 500 videos, and we are giving you these 500 videos through 65 hours. I had already explained all the important problems, important theorems and applications are given you through these 500 videos. Give more importance and concentration to these problems, and you will be able to success a very good result. From this you are able to earn a very good result from these videos. Okay, then wishing you all the success. God may bless you. From these studies you are able to win a goal of golden. Okay, bye.